Welcome and welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing, guys? What is going on? Rough week. What's bad is the week just started. Okay, it's only Monday, man. Rough weekend. Let me say it like that. Okay. I have but one little slight minor rule in place for Q&A or questions or anything like that. All I ask guys is that you like the video. That helps a lot. And very importantly, subscribe to the channel. Q&A. Okay. All right. Welcome back, guys. Let's get right into it. Don't waste no more time. I'm gonna try to run this split screen thingy right here. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's get right into some Q&A. James Barnes. Okay, I got a cousin named James Barnes. So I have a 16 Ram 1500 3.6, and I had a bad head gasket leak back in December. Took it to the local shop that does all my oil changes and other stuff. They charged me $1,600. Afterward, I noticed a ticking sound. I mentioned it to them, and they said it would go away. After a few weeks, the sound just kept getting louder and louder. So I took it to the dealership and was told it was a rocker and cam. They needed to be replaced. Call me crazy, but why didn't the shop that fixed the leak just do that as well? I mean, by the looks of it, they pretty much had to get to where the rockers and cam were to replace the gasket, right? Now I'm looking at another 3,500. Am I being ripped off? Oh, guys, hard to say. Yes, you are correct. In order to do a head gasket, the valve train have to be removed. So now this is where mechanic common sense come into play. Before after you put the head back on, after you don't replace the gasket. By the way, speaking of head gasket, I'm not sure I would ever. Uh, I don't even sure if it's ever the case anymore. The way head gaskets are built nowadays. Now I will say they can leak. You didn't say blown, you said leak, so I'm gonna cut you some slack. The reckless terminology called blown head gaskets that's just slung everywhere with aluminum engines. It's crazy. So leaks, you probably can, yeah, you probably will. It will leak before it blow. These are multi-layer steel head gaskets. So yeah. So let me stay on topic. Yes, they had to disassemble your valve train to replace the head gasket. And I guess your question was, shouldn't they have saw if the mechanic that's doing the job is wasn't irresponsible, because you should check those lash adjusters and those rocker arms for any play before you install them. It's so simple. You got to pick them up anyway, one by one, and set them in its proper location. So why not just click, click, click? It's fine. That's fine. Or meanwhile, I tend to try to sell rocker arms anyway because it's a known problem, guys. It's not nothing new. If you're doing a 3.6 repair, engine repair, you know we have problems with the, Chrysler having problems with the valve train. Why not recommend to the customer? It probably is a good time to go ahead and replace all your rocker. So now, as far as am I being ripped off, man, that's hard to say, man. That shop that did that work just didn't go. And could it have been a coincidence that a rocker went bad that soon, right after you left? That also could be a role. So I don't want to say you probably being ripped off, because rip off is a term where they're expecting you to come back and then do it again. And when you say rip off, you insinuating they put your engine together knowing that you had some bad broken rocker and was thinking in their head, oh, he'll be back. We'll get another $2,000, $3,000 out of him. Yes, that's ripped off. Now, if that's what you suspecting, then yes, I think you got ripped off. If you think that that's the role they played in. So, but that's unfortunate, man. I'm sorry about that, James Barnes. I hate to hear that, man. The guys like that give all shops a bad name, but I hope it works out for you, man. Guys, I only got time for whoa, I didn't mean for this to go this long. I only got time for I'm trying to get to see right now I'm on 1 day ago. I'm trying to get to the 3 days ago. I think that was the last time I answered some questions. Oh, Paul Joe, what's going on, Paul? I did this on my '07. I replaced the tension also. Did it at 100K. That motor destroys itself if it breaks. What he's talking about, ladies and gentlemen, is the 3.5. I did the on that same Dodge Charger. I did the. I was going in to do the timing belt and the water pump. That's all the parts she brought me. During the teardown and inspection, it was discovered that that idler tension came apart. So, as a matter of fact, you could see the balls in my hand. The ball bearings came out of the tensioner. So, she actually was lucky that car was still running. And what Paul mean by that engine destroys itself if it break, because there's a chance. I'm not sure if it's a interference engine, but that's even if that's not the case, the valves can hit the valves, or the piston may can hit the valves depending on how fast it's turning. I can't recall offhand if it's an interference engine, but it doesn't matter. If you're driving at high speeds and high RPMs and that belt break, it could get ugly. So yeah, Paul got a point on that, man. That's what's up, Paul. So if you're doing a timing belt, man, keep an eye on everything that rotates in there, everything that turns. The idler pulley was this case. Let me take a couple more. 208 million. I think that's right. Tips down, brother. I stumbled across your channel. I like it. You're upfront and to the point. Great videos, and thank you. God bless. Keep them coming. I am subscribed now. 208 MIUW. Thank you, my friend. I really, really appreciate it. All right, and stay tuned because there's lots more videos to come. Motown. Am I the only one who noticed there's no lid on the air filter? Lid on the air filter. Which video is Motown talking about? Oh, that's the one I did with the. I think I had pulled it off. Motown. Give me a break, man. Yeah, I think I pulled it off. In preparation of doing the video, I think I wanted y'all to hear the whining noise. And I would think in this video, I was trying to get y'all to understand the difference between, or get, you know, my subscribers to understand the difference between a power steering whine and a transmission whine. That's another video that's doing well for me. Thanks for watching that, Motown. I really appreciate it. But I can't recall. I would have to go watch this video again to see if that's the case. Expal. I met this dude yesterday. By the way, guys, I did a live stream yesterday with this guy's garage. It's on his channel over there. So y'all, I'll put a card right here. Go check that video out. Go check his channel out. I met a couple of people over there. Xfal. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. I met him over there. So met quite a few guys over there, and in Caper world. But yeah, we went on for about an hour. We both been talking about lemon law, and as usual, when you go for an hour, the topic bounce around and around. But it worked out good, man. So y'all go check the video out. Check this guy's garage channel out and subscribe to his channel. All right. What is the XFL talking about? Oh, he commented on the oh, I did click that link. It was a nice little kit, man. I never seen that kit before, so it must be some aftermarket. Bet they tried to install it without this. So obviously you're insinuating that you need that to make it work. I'm gonna look more into that. I clicked that link and went over there. And I saw a couple of bus wiring, and about 4 or 5 thingamajiggers. I'm gonna have to go back over there, but thanks for the input, man. I'm gonna check that out. There he is, my man Caper. This guy's garage. He commented on that same video with the bearing. Do it all at once. That's it, man. While you're in there, at least you know that ought to hold you for another 100,000, because the days of y'all remember back in the day, you say you was under the impression if your car got 100,000 miles, that's a wrap. It's done. Nowadays, 300,000 miles is the new norm. Actually, it's 200, but 300 is fastly approaching as being considered the new norm for mileage. Ain't that crazy? Yes, it's coming. Thanks, this guy's garage Caper, for watching the videos. All right, Motown again. What's going on, man? Another great lesson. Yeah, he commented on the same video, the Dodge Charger with the timing belt and water pumps. Okay, Dan M. He commented on a 62 TE transmission video. There's no clutch or wear components in a torque converter. It's all metal impellers. Whoa, Dan. There's no clutch or wear components. Sure there are, Dan. Now you got me questioning myself. Yes, there are wear components in a clutch. I mean, in a torque converter. Okay. Hmm. Damn, you got me. You got me stumped with that one. It is all metal impellers? No, that's not true, Dan. What? Maybe you referring to some special torque converter that I'm not aware of. In this particular video, I was working on a 62 TE transmission, and I know for a fact those torque converters. Uh, I can't even name off the top of my head name the parts inside of them, but there's clutches. I mean, the material is made of clutch material, and over time they will wear. Dan, so you might want to look. Like I said, unless you're referring to a whole different monster of a torque converter that I'm not aware of. So, but you gonna make me look it up, man. I'm gonna end up doing a whole video on that topic, man. You got me. You got my brain moving for a little bit. Okay, couple more. I want to make it to the 2-day-old mark. Angel Burgers, Vanswell. He commented on the tipping video. God bless you. Thanks for the valuable information and your time to help us PT owners. Obviously, an owner, PT Cruiser. I had a lot of PT Cruiser. I'm a member of mostly all the PT forum rooms on Facebook. Yes, I have a presence on social media, not Instagram. Just I have 2 Facebook pages. One Jeep Chrysler minivan, and the other one just solely PT Cruiser. But I bounce around each one of them. From time to time, I jump in there and answer a question or uh, uh, talk to. I done met a lot of cool people over there. So, um, but yeah, thanks for watching the videos, Angel. Please subscribe if you're not. All right, let me move right along. Michael, peace. If you have a second, could you please take a look at my question I posted on your last video about PA41? I sure will, Mike. Like I say, I don't know if you heard the first part of this video. I'm getting behind, but I most certainly will. In fact, when I end the stream, I'm gonna run right over there. All right. Lee Smith, what's going on, dude? Lee, I saw you, man. Lee, you should be shaming yourself, Lee. I can't believe it. There's something you said about the boat was backwards. Y'all, me and Lee was talking about a pinch boat, I think it was pinch boat, power steering. Um, he had a lot of play in the shaft. Something about the boat wasn't in right, and he answered back by it being either backwards or wrong or some weird thing happened. But you live and you learn, Lee. That's what's up, man. Man, I wish this was a 5.7 video, but still love the content, brother. I sent you a message yesterday about that rack. Yeah, that we was discussing that rack and pinion issue I had, and the boat was in backwards. Come on, Lee. Come on, Lee. My man. Let's get it together, Lee. All right, guys. I'm gonna do a couple more, and I gotta roll. What size is the big socket? Tony Johnson asked that. I assume he's talking about the cam phaser. That boat plays a couple of roles. That is the boat you use to torque the cam phasers down, and it also acts as a oil control valve, I want to say. So it pulls double duty, and it is very important. Okay, I got a whole discussion coming up on that cam phaser in that boat. I mean, it's an oil control valve, but the size of the socket, ooh, guy, I don't know that by heart. I got the socket at the shop. When I'm back at the shop, I can pull it up, and I can easily comment that answer in, man. I'm sorry. This question one day, I'm sorry it's taking me so long to answer questions, guys, but I still appreciate you watching. Okay. Let me do one more. Let me do one. Michael Pace. I just rebuilt the 2011 62 TE transmission, changed everything except the solenoid pack. Original failed part was the last pump piston in the compounder. Everything looked great, but I still replaced everything. Friction steel, torque converter, pump, and low drum bushing. I am now getting codes PA41. Is that maybe that's the one you was talking about, Michael Pace? Yes. Okay. I see what you're talking about, Mike. This is the question you was talking about. I'm thinking I need a new solenoid pack, valve body. What would you do? Reverse and drive are fine, but erratic. Try the installs to shift into second. Limp home drives great. I use 9 quarts of ATL plus 4, but it looks a little high on the dipstick. Man, when I end this stream, I'm gonna dive on that Michael Pace. Guys, I have went way too long. 20. Please don't tell me that it's 20. That is 29 minutes, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up. Any other the small little questions on the bottom, I'm gonna type in a reply on those. But I gotta wrap this up, guys. Let me do this like this. So I'll take the rest of them later. But guys, like I say, I got behind. I'm catching back up slowly but surely. Thanks for watching the videos. I appreciate it. Like I say, if you're not subscribed, I have no problem answering questions, or I'm gonna reply to your comment regardless. But um, I'm finna end this stream right here and go check out Mike Pace and see what he got going on. And a couple more on here. I need to find out what's going on because I have gotten behind. It's crazy for me to, ask y'all to subscribe and I don't follow up on my end. Okay, my end of the deal is I will try to comment on every comment, and if it's a question attached to your comment, I will try to answer it. That is my end of the bargain. On your end, all I ask is that you like the video. In fact, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And click the bell, man, because I'm finished start slanging videos out twice a day. Okay. I got a little more extra time with it being slow at the job. So I will, you're gonna get more content out. And guys, I'm not gonna just put out junk. Okay. I'm gonna try to make sure you get something out of every video I post. I don't play that, just put out something just to be putting out, just to say, whoa, I uploaded 3 today. No, it's gonna be quality content. Okay. I take my content very serious and my image very serious. Okay. So I will not just be uploading garbage. All right. Now I got to roll, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.